Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Nela Natasha from the English Education Department at UIN Suskaria. In this video, I'm going to explain the main idea of a video about how AI detects a word and how we can make a generated writing sound more natural. So, from what I understand, AI detector don't just focus on the specific word. A lot of people think that if we change a few words, then it's already safe, but actually it's not that simple. What detector really look at is the pattern of the writing. They analyze how the sentence are structured, how predictable the text is, and whether the writing feels too similar from beginning to end. That's why AI writing is often detected because it usually sounds too neat, too smooth, and very consistent. Sometimes every sentence feel like it follows the same pattern, but human writing is different. When people write, is not always perfect. Sometimes we hesitate, sometimes we repeat idea in a different way, and sometimes our sentence are not balanced. There are also two important concepts mentioned in the video, which are perplexity and burstness. So for the perplexity is about how unpredictable a text is. If the writing is too easy to guess, it is more likely to be considered as AI. For the burstness, on the other hand, is about variation. Human writing usually has more variation. Some sentences are short, some are long, and the structure keeps changing. But AI writing is usually more flat and uniform. That way it becomes easier for the detector to recognize it. Another important point is repetition. AI tends to repeat certain transition words like however, therefore, or in a conclusion. Not only that, but it also repeats a similar sentence structure. Even if the words are different, the pattern behind them is still the same. Sometimes the writing also sounds meaningful at the first, but when we look deeper, it actually quite general and not very original. It feels like it only stay on the surface. So the video also explain how to fix this problem. The first, we should avoid sounding too curtain. Instead of making absolute statement, we can use a softer expression like it seems, it's likely, or it can be said. And the second, we can add a bit of a critic or a different perspective. This makes the writing feel more truthful and more human. And the third, we need to vary the sentence structure. We can change the way sentence start and then combine idea or even reverse the order. This help break the pattern. If a sentence feels too long or too complicated, it better to simplify it. Just keep the main idea and remove unnecessary part. We can also try to rewrite the text in our own word after understanding it, not just ending, but really thinking about what it means the first. So overall, the main point is we should not depend on AI writing directly. We need to understand it, process it, and then rewrite it in our own way. So that's where the result will sound more natural, more human, and less likely to be detected as AI. Oke, halo teman-teman, aku Nela Natasha dari Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris UIN Suskaria. Di video ini aku mau ngejelasin inti dari video tentang gimana sih AI detector ini bekerja dan gimana cara bikin tulisan dari AI jadi lebih natural. Jadi dari yang aku pahami, AI detektor itu sebenarnya nggak cuma kita lihat dari kata-katanya aja. Banyak orang yang mikir kalau semisal kita ganti seberapa kata aja itu sudah cukup supaya teks kita tuh aman kan. Padahal sebenarnya nggak sesederhana itu loh. Yang dilihat itu justru pola tulisan kita. Kayak gimana sih kita nyusun kalimat, seberapa gampang tulisan itu ditebak, sama apakah dari awal sampai akhir itu terasa mirip terus atau enggak gitu. Makanya tulisan dari AI itu sering ketahuan, soalnya biasanya teksnya itu terlalu rapi. Kadang satu paragraf itu terasa semuanya kalimatnya yang polanya yang sama gitu. Padahal kalau manusia yang nulis itu kan nggak kayak gitu sebenarnya. Kadang kita ragu, kadang kita ngulang ide, tetapi dengan cara yang berbeda. Kadang juga kalimatnya nggak selalu sama, nggak selalu seimbang. Bagaimana cara menulis dengan baik dan benar? Yang pertama, jangan terlalu pasti. Lebih baik pakai kata kayak kemungkinan, terlihat, atau diduga supaya lebih natural. Yang kedua, tambahin sedikit sudut pandang atau pemikiran kita sendiri biar tulisannya itu gak cuma sekedar nyampein informasi gitu. Nah, untuk yang ketiga, variasikan struktur kalimatnya. Jangan semuanya sama, bisa diubah urutannya. Misalnya kita kalimat nanti kita panjangin, atau nanti juga kalimatnya bisa kita buat dengan pendek. Nah, kalau ada kalimat yang terlalu panjang atau terlalu ribet, mending disederhanain aja, ambil inti pentingnya dan juga buang yang nggak perlu. Terus yang paling penting, kita harus paham dulu isinya, jangan langsung pakai gitu. Setelah paham nanti baru kita tulis ulang pakai cara kita sendiri. Jadi intinya kita nggak bisa cuma ngandelin AI, tetap harus kita olah sendiri, menggunakan pikiran kita sendiri. Makanya nanti dia hasil yang kita buat tadi itu lebih natural, lebih enak dibaca, dan gak gampang ketahuan kalau kita itu tulisan dari AI. I think that's all for me, and thank you for you watching my video, and I'm so sorry if my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.